so excited for this. Oh, baby. Silica gel. Love getting this. Love me some silica gel. Excitement? Very much. Here, you guys read. I actually didn't ask Elaine. I'm pretty sure this is the newest rendition. Sending positive vibes? Thank you, dude. I'm pretty positive it's 2.2. Could be 2.1. What's the big difference between 2.1 and 2.2 again? I'll put feet on first. Yeah, the green, by the way, this is, I showed you guys already, that's why I took it out so quick. This color is absolutely beautiful with the copper. It is so nice. That's what it's giving me, some autumn vibes. Daughterboard, cable. CRP might look really good on this too. I was thinking about doing some sort of beige, because beige is pretty hot looking, you know? Can't go wrong with good old beige. Can't go wrong at all. Dandy is probably another good choice. If I want to pick GMK, I'm probably going to use Dandy. I probably will. Nice little FR4 plate for us today. Kaiju? Huh, we could do Kaiju. Got some stickers. Throw this to the side too. Oh, I'm gonna clean up some of the desk. Green PCB. There's a bright PCB. Last time I built a unicorn, I don't remember the PCB being like this. Is this green? No, this is more of a yellow. Interesting. I'm drooling this copper on green. Ooh. You guys are getting me excited now. If you guys want to check out any sort of unicorn like info and stuff, I suggest follow their Discord, follow their Instagram. 100% go give them all a follow, like Singa a follow, because that's where you guys are gonna get the best information, not from me. This is truly, I also didn't know that. The last time I built one of these, it was just a regular PCB. So it's interesting to see the flex cut. Again, not the flex cut's biggest fan. I've grown to really like not care about these, but it's one single flex cut, so I think we'll get away with it sounding completely okay. Who's the maker / vendor to follow? Singa. So right over here, Singa KBD rather. But we'll see. Should I use the umwipe stem for the spacebar, or just stick to regular schmegular? I want to double check if this is. Do you guys know this? And I'm like, my brain is thinking this is thinner. I hope I have some 1.2 stabs. I think I have a pack of clip-ins somewhere. No, I think, yeah, it's 1.6. Okay. It is 1.6. Yeah, again, I'm in the boat of, I think a lot of people take a lot of aspects of keyboards way too serious, and I just want to have fun doing this kind of stuff. So for me, this is just me having fun. This is just like me expressing myself. And I'm here for that. Okay, we're also using these. I'm actually pretty happy with the way these turned out. We're using films from Swag Keys because, oh dude, I also have to tell you guys, did I throw out the other springs? The springs that came out of these were so disgusting. These are Vint Blacks, something I don't use very often, but I swapped them out for TX long springs, 55 gram. Oh, I don't want to use this one here. Thank goodness I did, because the stock springs in these, even modern MX cherry springs, are so poopy. They're so garbo. I don't know what durometer this O-ring is, just so you guys know. I am unaware of that. We're all waiting on pins and needles. I hope you guys like it. Like my setup's honestly like nothing crazy special. So I hope you guys end up liking the setup tour. It's kind of small. I switched from 50A to 80A on my W1. It's dude, I'm telling you, I have been much preferring higher, I guess we do have to unscrew this to put the daughter board in, higher durometer O-rings lately for everything. I think it's the move, man. I honestly think it's the move. Oh, baby. Stiff typing. I like a good mix of either or. I'm not too like particular when it comes to my typing experience. I do like a good soft keyboard, but majority of my O-ring builds, I end up using stiffer O-rings. Okay, actually, where were the screws for this? 'Cause I don't think I saw them in the baggie. Was it in the baggie? I don't think it was. It's not there. I'm not sure of your true identity, but nice to meet you. Oh, temporary name. Over the past year, I think the setup and the stream quality has gone up a lot. Thank you, dude. No, I do like the new light one too. I think the new lighter, like, it's just a different theme. Like, I don't know. I feel like I vibe with it more too. It's okay. Guys, this is the other bullshit about this community sometimes. Not you guys. You don't need to type fast to be into keyboards. I think there's a weird stigma that I constantly see around like a lot of the discords where you need to type at a certain speed or this person can't type. It's kind of cringe. The other thing that I see a lot of too is like, you know what? Let's not focus on the negative today. Just don't be cringe, guys. It's okay if you type slower. Corn too beautiful? Isn't the copper and green sexy? Oh, should I have plugged this in afterwards? I suppose I should have. All right, let's do it like this. Let's plug this in first. The copper and green is beautiful. It is. It is definitely a really pretty color. I don't know. I've never built a Jane. Don't think I'm gonna build one anytime soon, unless like a commission comes up for it. But it didn't go in all nicely. Let's see if we can rescue this cable. Where's my tweezers? Yeah, this cable's really tight, but we'll get it. It is a very, very short cable. We will get this somehow. I would have liked this to be a smidge, even like 2 or 3 centimeters longer, I think would have been favorable. Because this is a pretty tight cable. Perhaps we have to unscrew that part first, but it's okay. We think we got it now. Ooh. What do we think? This is cool. That's a nice looking color. Damn. Let's see what the switch is installed. Ooh. Okay. I'm here for this. This looks pretty nice. Now lick the weight. Excuse me. That is not a today thing. I don't think that's a today thing. Maybe that's a next week thing. Too much of one color can make the board seem a little bit kind of meh. So Elaine, we built this with vintage MX Cherry Blacks, lubed with, so I did it with 205D0, but I oiled the springs. We did 55 gram long cherry springs. Let's take a quick little peek at this again from the different views. This green matches the corn near perfectly. This is a cute little daisy copper green corn. We're using the FR4 plate. Am I saying this right? Rosetta green? Oh. Yeah, you guys already know I like this sound profile though. That's to me, this is like a perfect spacebar. I didn't want to go with long pull switches. I literally did not want to go with long pull switches for this. Dude, the spacebar is perfect on this, dude. The long pulls would have been too aggressive for this, I feel. Like, way too aggressive. So I'm glad we went, like, this route. That is literally a perfect match. I think even if you were to use the all green set, this would be, like, legitimately perfect. Didn't push all those keycaps in all the way. Side profile, please. Beautiful. Beautiful. Sorry, I'm blowing off a piece of fluff. I was going to buy all the green set now, but... oh my lord. Yeah, Dandy's a good set for this. If you guys are planning on getting a green unicorn, maybe Dandy's the way to go. The contrast is really nice, yeah. Like I said, I think it's really interesting to see this too. Like, there's one flex cut on this PCB, and you guys know I normally like can't stand flex cuts, but we've talked about it where it's like 1 or even up to 2 flex cuts usually doesn't seem to bother it too much. But when you have PCBs that are cut up and dissected into like these meme cut PCBs, it thins out the sound signature so much, dude. It thins it so badly. So it's nice to see that one flex cut isn't hurting it all here. There's a little bit of, you can see it a little bit in action. It's not overly aggressive either. The only thing I'd say that like could use like 2 centimeters more of length is maybe the, you can tape it if you really don't like the cut. Yeah, you can also tape it too. But I think it doesn't hurt it in this case here at all, Lane. I think it's like, it's completely A-okay here. Like, you're not really hearing any sort of thinness from the flex cut. But perhaps maybe 1 centimeter or 2 more than the in the daughter board cable, just so it wouldn't be too crazy. I come back to ask your consensus in 2 weeks. Yes. Elaine, ask me in 2 weeks because I'm probably gonna daily this keyboard now. I'm too into this right now. All right, guys. See you later. I love you guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Peace out, everybody. Love you guys. Bye-bye.